are back with Orly in Christmas Corner, and today she is lighting the way to the holiday season with DIY candy cane solar lights. I love it.
Debbie,
Orly,
Up top.
Mark.
Boom.
I'm very excited about today's DIY.
Why we're high-fiving, but let's do it.
The reason that we are high-fiving is because I had this idea, and I thought, is this really as simple as I think it is? Like, is there a reason that I couldn't do this as simply as I can? What I love is that I want to show you guys what it looks like outside just during the day, because it's nice during the day, and later on you'll see what it looks like at night. These look like these beautiful candy canes. They line up. They've got the really nice globe on top that sparkles in the sunlight, but they look like candy canes.
They do.
And I was trying to think of a way that we could potentially use the solar lights. I have them that line up my driveway. Right? They're really great. They're zero energy. Trying to find a way that we could use those without ruining them, so that when the season's over, you can just put them right back in. And so that's how we're going to do it.
So PVC pipe?
PVC pipe.
Okay.
So we're going to use PVC pipe and red duct tape. And that's how this thing comes together.
And then what is this?
Could you believe
That sounds complicated.
This is the solar light. So the way these come are like this. This little bottom part comes out, and this is how it goes into the ground.
Oh, it comes just like that.
It comes just like this. And there's the little solar, receptor, whatever it's called.
The thingamajigger that gets the
You can
sun.
see the light turning on when it thinks it's dark, right?
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Okay,
All right.
so
what do we do?
all that you want to do is when you get your PVC pipe, we cut it to 2 feet plus an angled cut. This is going to act as our stake. So a 2-foot PVC pipe. This is a 1.5-inch PVC pipe. You can see the way it normally comes, it has that writing down the side. So I would take a little bit of acetone to clean it off as much as you can. That way you can then do a really light coat of white paint.
Okay.
You just want it to look nice and crisp, and you don't get 100% of it off. Next, we're going to take our tape, our duct tape here, and you're going to start wrapping it around. And I want to show you a couple of things when you're wrapping it. The first thing is that the angle, the angle you start off at automatically dictates the angle the rest of it's going to go. Because when you see here, if let's say I start trying to change the angle, do you see the buckling?
Right.
It's going to show me, no, you're not staying even. So once you start, it's impossible to not be perfectly even. So it's foolproof.
Oh, nice.
That's the best part. The next thing is, if you come around and you realize that you have little like bumps. There's something weird, and I did it on accident at first. Something about going down and then pulling the tape back, it like releases a little bit of the intensity of the duct tape, and then it lays flat. So Mark, will you spin?
Not so sticky.
Exactly. So now I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna use, see, like, watch, see there?
Yeah.
So now if I peel back just a little bit, oops, sorry, hold on. Now let me get my duct tape straight. There we go.
Get all your duct tape in a row.
Get my duct tape in a row. Now we're just gonna twist.
There you go.
And there you go. You can see how now it's perfectly even. We're not getting any of the little loops or bumps. If you get them, you just pull back and do it again. We're just gonna go all the way around. So this is how you would get it. Now if you can look from, go up, can we get a wider shot? See how perfectly even they are? That's just because whatever angle you start off as, it wants to stay even.
What's weird is once you put this on, it actually tastes like peppermint.
Does it?
I'm sorry. Again,
I would love you if you just licked the rest of it. Now, I want to get around to the other side here, so I'm not going to do it as perfectly as I would, because I want you to see the end of it. So one moment. Actually, can we just go to this one?
Yeah, let's go look at this one.
Yeah.
So we're done here.
As you work your way around, just go. You can use your finger to smooth it out.
All right.
You can pull back. It really does not take long at all to do. So now, right now, we just have these sitting on top here.
Yes.
So here's your stake. You're going to take this, stake it into the ground. If you have a little mallet to pop it down, this light.
That's it.
Wait, can I see that again? I'm not
Slow-mo?
sure. Yeah, slow-mo on that.
You take the light and
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it.
Now, I am going to do one thing. I'm going to use a little bit of these little glue dot guys.
Okay.
Oh, really?
So where do you recommend placing the posts?
So you just want to have it in a place that gets a lot of light, obviously, because it's solar. So you want to make sure that you have some light to charge during the day. So here's a little glue dot. I'm going to put this right here. You really don't want to use like hot glue, because the great thing about this, so you do one there and you do it on the other side, but you can see.
It's like that poster putty stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't glue it.
Don't use glue, because the great thing about this is that when the season is over, these come right out. They go back in the ground for your regular decor, your regular lighting, and they're not destroyed in any way.
And how easy it is to store this.
These things are, so you can just have them lined up. It can convert during the holidays.
This is so cool.
Really cool. And just two or three of the glue dots to anchor it down. They won't fall during the...
Do you have this at night? Did you get a picture?
Oh yeah, can we show how cool it looks at night? It's so pretty. There it is.
Oh my gosh.
Doesn't it look like you're in Santa's like North Pole? Like welcome to the North Pole.
Oh my goodness.
And even if you just did like 2 of them right in front of the front door or in flower beds, up your driveway, wherever you do them.
And it costs virtually nothing.
Seriously.
Perfect.
It's PVC pipe, yeah.
Thank you,
exactly.
Orly.